The various types of chemical reactions. The various types of chemical reactions. The chemical reactions can be classified into various types like combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, endothermic reaction, exothermic reaction, precipitation reaction, etc., etc. The various types of reactions. I repeat the various types, say like combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement, then oxidation, reduction, or both, redox, endothermic, exothermic, precipitation, etc. These are the various types of reactions. Let us begin with the first one, combination reaction. Let us see what's meant by combination reaction, various types. Say number one, combination reaction, combination reaction. What is a combination reaction? You know, when a reaction takes place between two or more reactants forming a single product, two or more reactants combine to form a single product, that is called a combination reaction. So a combination reaction is one in which a single product, just one product, just one product is obtained. One chemical product is obtained by the reaction between two or more reactants. On the side of the reactants, there are two or more reactants. But on the side of the products, there is only just one chemical compound. Only one compound is formed. One product is formed. So we can define combination reaction like this. It is the formation of a single product, one product, just one product, a single product from two or more reactants. So let us write the definition. You write the heading combination reaction. Write the heading combination. Then you write the definition. What is a combination? Let us write the definition for combination. You write formation of formation formation of a single product. A single product. Only one chemical product is formed. Only one chemical compound is formed. A single product from two or more reactants. Two or more reactants. Two or more reactants. Say the number of reactants, minimum two or more. So minimum two reactants are there. But product, only just one product, a single product is formed. Only one product is formed, and that is a combination reaction. You look at the board, you can write formation of, you write formation of a single product from two or more reactants. Formation of a single product. Have you written? Sainama, written?
Yes, sir.
You're right. Formation, a definition. Formation of a single product from two or more reactants. That is called a combination reaction. That is the definition of a combination reaction. Let us take some examples for combination reactions. Say, for examples. One, you take the reaction between quicklime and water. Quicklime and water. What happens when quicklime reacts with water? What is quicklime? Quicklime is a common name given for calcium oxide. Quicklime is calcium oxide. So quicklime or calcium oxide that reacts with water, forming slated lime or calcium hydroxide, liberating, releasing a large amount of heat energy. Say the reaction mixture becomes hot, not simply hot. You can see that the mixture begins to boil. The mixture begins to boil. We are going to add quicklime or calcium oxide into water, cold water. Then what happens? There is vigorous reaction, violent reaction, vigorous reaction with the formation of slated lime or calcium hydroxide with, with the release of, say, releasing a large amount of heat energy. Since a large amount of heat energy is released, you wait. I shall ask you to write. Just listen now. You just listen now. I shall ask you to write. I shall write on the board. Then you can write. Okay. You just listen the reaction first. The reaction is between quicklime or calcium oxide and water. Quicklime and water. Quicklime is added into water. That's the reaction. So here we have two reactions, quicklime and water. Then there is vigorous reaction. There is violent reaction with the formation of slated lime. Quicklime is converted into slated lime. And the slated lime is chemically calcium hydroxide. Not only that, during this reaction, a large amount of heat energy is released. A large amount of heat energy is liberated. And so the reaction mixture becomes hot and finally it begins to boil. We are not heating it. We are not heating it. During the course of the reaction, heat energy is produced. There is a difference in temperature. Remember, during a chemical reaction, there may be a change in color, there may be a change in temperature, there may be evolution of a gas, there may be a change in state also. We have seen the various observations accompanied by chemical reactions. Which are the various observations? Just to recollect the various observations along with the chemical reaction, just to recollect. A change in color, you say?
Change in temperature,
Change in color, change in temperature, then
change in
change in
state.
state, and evolution of a gas. See, here there is change in temperature. So I shall write the reaction now. The question will be like this. What happens when quicklime reacts with water? That is the question. And what will be our answer? You can write the answer like this along with me. Now you write the answer. Say quicklime, Q-U-I-C-K. Q-U-I-C-K. You write? Now you can write Q-U-I-C-K. Quicklime, L-I-M-E. L-I-M-E. Quicklime. Sometimes it is simply known as lime, quicklime or simply lime. So quicklime. What is the chemical name of quicklime? I told it is calcium oxide. Quicklime, in brackets you write calcium, CALCIUM, calcium oxide. That is the chemical name. So the question is, What is quicklime? Quicklime is calcium oxide. Calcium oxide. Ah, quicklime reacts vigorously, violently, vigorous reaction, violent reaction, reacts vigorously. Vigorously, 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 violently. What happens? What happens? There is vigorous reaction. Vigorous reaction. The mixture boils. Vigorous reaction. So quicklime or calcium oxide reacts vigorously with water. With water. With water. That is the reaction. Quicklime reacts with the water. That is vigorous reaction. So quicklime or calcium oxide reacts vigorously with water. Then forming FORMING, forming, producing slaked lime. Slaked lime. The product is slaked lime. Slaked. 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 Slaked lime. And what is slaked lime? The chemical name is calcium. Calcium, you write in brackets, calcium hydroxide. It is a calcium hydroxide. The formula I shall give you later. Calcium hydroxide forming slaked lime or calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide releasing large amount of heat. Releasing large amount of heat. Heat is released. We are not heating it. It is heated up by itself, spontaneous rise in temperature. Spontaneous rise in temperature. We are not rising the temperature. The temperature is risen. The temperature is risen by the reaction. That's why I say it is spontaneous rising up of the temperature. So heat, not heated, heat energy. You write heat energy. Heat, okay. Say, releasing large amount of heat energy. Releasing large amount of heat energy. That is a reaction. So the question is this. Remember the question? What happens when quicklime is added to water? Or what happens when quicklime reacts with water? And what is our answer? Quicklime reacts vigorously with water, forming slaked lime, releasing large amount of heat energy. Large amount of heat is released.
Sir, what is the question?
You don't write the question now. I am saying that's all. The various types of questions. You need not write the question. You need not write the question. I shall say the possible questions. The possible. Just listen. Just listen. What happened? You need not write the question. You will get it. Don't worry. Say, my dear friends, don't worry. You will get the answer. Various types of questions will be asked from this reaction. One question may be like this. What happens when quicklime reacts with water? One question. Okay. Our answer is this. It is written here. Quicklime reacts vigorously with water, forming slaked lime, releasing large amount of heat energy. That's the answer. Okay. Then another question here. Say another question. What is quicklime? What is our answer? What's our answer? John? This is calcium. Look at
calcium
it.
oxide.
Calcium oxide. It is a calcium oxide. And what is lakered lime? Another question. What is lakered lime? Come on, Ashi.
Calcium
Hydroxide.
hydroxide.
Calcium hydroxide. What's the formula of quicklime? What's the formula of a calcium hydroxide? That is not given. I will give it you now. I will give it to you. So we can write the equation. Now the writing up part is over, no? That is over. Now let us write the equation, the corresponding equation. We can study slowly. There is enough time. Don't worry. I'm not in a hurry to finish this. Huh? You study it slowly. Slowly you study, but you must study it every day. I take only 2-3 reactions a day. I take only 2-3 reactions, but that you must study. Okay. I have no time to ask the questions every time. Okay? So you must study. You must be duty conscious. Okay. Let us write the equation. The quicklime is calcium oxide, and the formula is CaO, calcium oxide. Calcium oxide, CaO, plus water, H2O. Say water plus water, giving snaked lime. Snaked lime is calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice. Calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide CaOH twice. Now you have got the formula. What is quicklime? What is its formula? That is a calcium oxide, and formula is calcium CaO. Below this you write below calcium oxide. You write quicklime. You write quicklime. This is quicklime. Quicklime. That is the formula of quicklime, calcium oxide. Then CaOH twice. It is a slaked lime. Slaked lime. It is a slaked lime. Okay. Got it? Now the equation. You have to balance the equation. That equation is already balanced. Do you agree with me, Ashi? John? Samuel? Do you agree with me? The equation is
Yes,
already
sir.
Yes, sir.
on the left hand side, one calcium. On the right hand side, one calcium. Right? On the left hand side, oxygen. How many oxygen? Left hand side, Ashi. How many oxygen atoms?
One oxygen atom.
2 oxygen atoms on the left hand side. And on the right hand side, OH twice. In OH twice, 2 is common for O and H. So OH twice. How many oxygen on the right hand side? 2 oxygen. Similarly, hydrogen on the left hand side, H2, 2 hydrogen atoms. On the right hand side, OH twice, again 2 hydrogen. The equation is balanced. Okay. All right. Now, let us see the physical states. The physical states are not asked. Not asked. If it is asked, you can write. The physical state will be like this. Say, calcium oxide is a white powder. This is a white powder. Say, white powder. Calcium oxide is a white powder. So below quicklime, you write a white powder. It's a white powder. It is highly indicative. Highly indicative. Okay. White powder. Calcium oxide quicklime. White powder is in the solid state. So the state symbol is S. S. State symbol is S. It is not asked. You need write it only if it is asked. Okay. So calcium oxide solid. Then water, that is in the liquid stage. That is in the liquid stage. Now, calcium hydroxide, that is water solution. That is in water. That is in water. You will get a water solution. How can you show water solution? You can write which one? Amar, is it S? Is it L? Is it G? Or something else? That something else is needed here. What
AQ.
else? Ah, come on.
AQ.
Aqueous, correct. Aqueous, that is in water, water solution, that is aqueous. You must read it as aqueous. That is the completely balanced equation. Completely balanced equation. Okay. Say, let us think of, just listen, let us think of the various types of questions from here. One question I told you, what happens when quicklime reacts with water? And our answer is quicklime reacts vigorously with water, forming, uh, forming, say, slaked lime, that is vigorously quicklime, slaked lime, releasing large amount of heat energy. That is one question. Another one, what is quicklime? What is its formula? Quicklime is, come on, what is quicklime?
CaO.
Calcium oxide.
Calcium oxide and formula is CaO. That is also correct. What Aman said is correct. That is a CaO, calcium oxide. Then, what is slaked lime? What will be our answer?
Calcium hydroxide.
Calcium hydroxide, formula CaOH twice. Okay. Okay, it's all right. Now, there is another question. Another question. A white powder which reacts vigorously with water, releasing a large amount of heat energy, which is the white compound. Come on. A white powder, I repeat the question. A white powder reacts vigorously with water. For that, I have written white powder there. It is highly useful. A white powder which reacts vigorously with water, releasing a large amount of heat energy, and the mixture begins to boil. What is the white compound? What is the white powder? Adil?
Quicklime.
Quicklime calcium oxide. It is quicklime calcium oxide. See, various types of questions from just one reaction. Possible questions are there. Okay. Another one. Another question. Quicklime reacts with the water, forming slaked lime. What is the type of the reaction? Another question. Amina?
Yes, sir.
What is the type of the reaction? Type of the reaction. Come on. You say something. Let it be right or wrong. It doesn't matter. There is nobody else is there to hear you. Only our friends and you. Come on. See, question is, quicklime reacts with water. What is the type of the reaction? That's the question. What will be your answer? Type of reaction? Amina, you look at the heading. You look at the heading. There is the type. The type is mentioned there. Come on.
Combination.
Yes. Hey, don't take this for a fun. I'm not asking such questions, not for fun. All these questions are asked for the board examination. You will be given a reaction and you will be asked, what is the type of the reaction? This is combination reaction. The type of reaction is a combination reaction. Another question. You said it is combination reaction. Why? Amina, you say why? Why do you say that's a combination reaction?
It is combined. Formation of a single product from
Yeah. That's the answer. Correct. Yeah, that's the answer. A single product. Yeah, a single product, calcium hydroxide, it's like a lime. A single product is formed from two reactants. Two reactants. Quicklime and water. Two reactants. Two reactants. And we get only a single product. And so it is a combination reaction. That's the reaction. See what is the type of the reaction and explain why. And explain why. A type of reaction means combination reaction. Why, Melvin? Why? Because a single product, calcium hydroxide, single product is formed by the two reactants, the calcium oxide and the water. Okay. So these are the possible questions here. There is one more question that can be asked from this reaction. Okay, I shall explain that. See, during this reaction, a large amount of heat energy is released. It is given out. Large amount of heat energy is released. It is given out. Okay, a reaction in which heat energy is released is called exothermic reaction. Please don't write it now. Please don't write it now. We can write it in another heading. Don't wait. Don't write it. See, it is. I shall write it here. Please don't write now. It is called exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. Exothermic because heat is released. Large amount of say releasing large amount of heat energy is released. So a reaction in which large amount of heat energy is released, that is called exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. In a reaction, if energy is released, it is called exothermic reaction. Okay. Now, let me ask you another question. Another question. I have added one more point, but you need not write that point now. We can write it afterwards. Just to remember this exothermic reaction. What is exothermic, Melvin? What is exothermic? I have underlined. See? What? Heat energy is released. Released. Releasing large amount of heat energy. Energy is released. Energy is given out. Energy is freed. It is given out. It is exothermic. Now, let me ask you another question. Quicklime reacts with water. Quicklime reacts with water. What are the two types of reactions? See, listen the question. What are Adi? Just listen the question, Rizwan. Listen the question. What are the two types of reactions? The two types, I am introducing all these questions. All these questions I have asked for the board examination. Okay. So what are the two types of reactions taking place here? Come on, Rizwan, you try. This one try. Two types of reactions are possible here. Come on. Which are they? Quicklime plus water. You did not get me? This one? Do you hear me or not? Can you hear me? This one? I think that
Yes, sir.
you can hear. Okay. If you can hear, you tell me. Quicklime just wait. Quicklime reacts with the water, forming snake line. What are the two types of reactions here? Where is this one? Resign is born. Okay, Melvin, you please tell me. What are the two types of reactions taking place here? Two types of reactions. മക്കള് പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് ചോദിക്കും ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് പറയും.
Combination reaction.
Melvin, you say, one is?
Combination reaction.
Correct. One is combination reaction. Second?
Exothermic reaction.
Exothermic, yes. Exothermic. Two types of reaction. The two types are, one is combination, second is exothermic. Why is it called a combination, Melvin? Why is it called combination? Right?
Because a
Single product is formed. Two or more reactants. Here we have two reactants. A single product is formed. So it is combination. And why do you say it is exothermic, Melvin?
Because heat is produced.
It is heat is released. Somebody has already gave the answer. Okay. So heat is released. Heat is released. So it is called exothermic reaction. Okay. So these are the various types of questions possible from just one reaction. Got it? All right.
Yes,
sir.
What do you say, yes or no?
sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay. You say yes only if and only if you follow. Otherwise, you can ask me to explain it again, but not to make me a fool. You just, your doubt should be genuine. Your doubt should be genuine. Okay. So one of the reactions, combination reactions. Along with the combination, I have introduced the exothermic reaction also, but you need not to write it now. Let me take another example for combination reaction. One we have seen quicklime or calcium oxide plus water giving slaked lime or calcium hydroxide, one reaction. Second one is burning of coal, burning of a coal. Coal burns, second reaction. Burning of a coal. That is the second reaction we are going to see. So, second one, B. Say burning of coal. Burning, you're right. Burning of coal. C-O-A-L, coal. Burning of coal. What is coal? Coal is carbon. Kalkari. Coal. Coal is carbon. In brackets, you write carbon. It is carbon. It's a form of carbon. Burning of coal. When coal burns, we get carbon dioxide and heat and light. Now, burning of coal, forming, you complete, forming carbon dioxide. You write in words, in words, carbon dioxide, comma, releasing heat and light. Light is also formed. Releasing heat and light. Emitting light. Releasing heat and light. Light is also a form of energy. Heat and light. Burning of coal. Coal means carbon. When carbon burns in air, carbon dioxide is formed. There will be a large amount of heat energy is released. There will be heat, light is also produced when carbon burns. Let us write the equation. Carbon C plus oxygen. Burning means combination with oxygen. Burning means combination with oxygen, giving carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide plus heat plus light. Heat plus light. Heat plus light. Written. Second example, burning of coal. Coal is carbon. Remember, coal is carbon, forming carbon dioxide, releasing heat and light. Heat and light. Okay, write the equation. Coal carbon C plus during burning, combination with oxygen. O2 giving, do you remember magnesium? Burning of magnesium? Magnesium ribbon? Combination with oxygen. So C plus O2 giving CO2 plus heat plus light. Let us try to balance the equation. Adi there. Shankara,
Yes, sir.
please try balance it. Look left and right. Look left and right of the arrow. Hit and try and balance.
In which state it is?
Pardon?
Sir, in which state should I say? Or
No,
balance?
is it balanced or not? The equation
Yes.
is balanced.
It's balanced.
It is already balanced. It is already balanced. Now we can write the state also. See, carbon, coke, calcari is in the solid state. So we can write it here, carbon, yes. Then oxygen, that is in the gaseous state. Carbon dioxide, that is also in the gaseous state. It is not compulsory, but we are trying to write the state symbols also. Kando. Ingane slowly we will study how to balance the equation. How to balance the equation. അതിനൊരു സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ഹെഡിങ് ആവശ്യമില്ല. We can balance it. ഇങ്ങനെ ചെയ്ത് പോകുമ്പോഴേ നിങ്ങളെല്ലാം പഠിക്കും. നിങ്ങൾ ബാലൻസ് ചെയ്തോളൂ. ഓക്കെ, ഇവിടെ ഞാൻ ഇനി വേറൊരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചോദിക്കട്ടെ. ലെറ്റ് മീ ആസ്ക് യു എ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ആരോടാ ചോദിക്കാൻ പറ്റിയ ഒരാള്? മെൽവിൻ. മെൽവിൻ, say burning of coal, what type of reaction is it?
Exothermic.
It is a
Exothermic.
one is exothermic, heat is released. Another one, type
Combination.
combination, because only one product CO2, only one product CO2 is formed from two reactants, carbon and oxygen, and so it is also a combination reaction. Okay. Let us take one more reaction for combination and exothermic also. Combination, that is formation of water. Formation of water by the reaction between hydrogen and oxygen. So third one, reaction between hydrogen and oxygen. So you write H2 plus O2. I am not giving the description in words. I'm directly giving you the equation. That is reaction between hydrogen gas and oxygen gas, forming, say, water. H2O, water is formed. Now you try to balance it. Try to balance it. Balance the reaction. Balance. Adi, you please help the others. From where you have to start? From hydrogen or oxygen? From where you have to start? Hydrogen or oxygen?
Hydrogen.
If you begin from hydrogen, on the left hand side H2, 2 hydrogen. On the right hand side H2O, 2 hydrogen. It is balanced. So what about oxygen? On the left hand side O2, 2 oxygen. On the right hand side only 1 O. So from where we have to begin?
Oxygen.
Oxygen, we have to begin from oxygen. Hit and trial, hit and trial. We have to begin from oxygen. Melvi, on the left hand side, O2, 2 oxygen. O2, 2 oxygen. So on the right hand side, to have 2 oxygen, what we have to do? Melvi, we have to multiply H2O by 2. Right? Okay. Now you balance hydrogen. Balance hydrogen. On the right hand side, H2, 2 into 2, 4 hydrogen. 4 hydrogen. right side 4 hydrogen. So on the left hand side, to have 4 hydrogen, what we have to do?
Multiply by 2.
2H2. It is 2H2. It is balanced. We can write the state symbols also. State symbols also. Hydrogen is in the gaseous state. Oxygen is in the gaseous state. And water, you can write in the liquid state or even in the gaseous state also. Because the reaction is highly exothermic. A large amount of heat energy is released during this reaction. When hydrogen bonds in oxygen, large amount of heat energy is released. And so it is a exothermic also. So this is a combination reaction. Formation of water from hydrogen and oxygen. Now, Bhadra has appeared on the screen. Let me ask a question to Bhadra. Say hydrogen burns in oxygen forming water. Water. Okay, that you agree, right? Ah. What physical change can you observe or hear during this reaction?
Change in state.
You said anything?
Change in state.
Change in state is there, that is right. But when hydrogen burns in oxygen, something is heard. What is it? When
Pop
we,
sound.
huh? Once more, once more.
Sound.
Pop sound, correct. Pop sound, yes, yes, it is. Bhadra said is correct. That is a pop sound is produced. Pop sound. And it is the test for, Bhadra, you complete. Test for pop sound.
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen. Yes, test for hydrogen. Say pop sound is produced with the formation of a water. And that's a test for a hydrogen. Okay. So we have taken 3 examples for combination reactions. You take the case of magnesium, magnesium ribbon. Magnesium ribbon bonds in air, forming a white powder, magnesium oxide. Dazzling white light, heat and a light will be produced. Magnesium oxide is formed. That is also an example for combination reaction. Burning of magnesium in air, that is also an example for combination reaction. Okay. Just now, I mentioned about the exothermic reaction. Now, we can write the definition for exothermic reaction. So, you write the next heading as exothermic reaction. You write the second one. Exo, what? Ashik, any problem with you?
Some technical errors are come sometimes.
Not clear. Not clear.
It comes sometimes, sir. Technical problem.
Oh, I could not follow what you said. Can you repeat?
The technical problem.
The problem is, you can hear me, no? You can see also. Okay, so right. So exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. Next, you write exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. I told you what is exothermic process. What is exothermic reaction? What is it? A reaction in which heat energy is released. So we can write the definition for exothermic reaction like this. So write the definition. You write reaction in which heat energy Heat energy is released. Heat energy is released, given out. Say energy, heat energy is released, liberated, released, liberated. That is an exothermic reaction. The reactions we have already seen, all are examples for exothermic reactions. All the reactions you have seen. One is a reaction between quicklime and water, it is exothermic. Combination as well as exothermic reaction. Okay. Then burning of coal, exothermic reaction. Then formation of water from hydrogen and oxygen, that is also exothermic reaction. All the reactions you have seen. So examples, you can write the examples. One. I'm not going to write the details here. The details you can refer the previous reactions. Example one, quicklime plus water. Details, quicklime plus water. You refer. You refer. It is exothermic. You have already taken that. You can refer. Second one, that is burning of coal. Burning of coal. That is also exothermic reaction. You have seen that. Then third one, not details written here. Third one, reaction between hydrogen and water forming what? Hydrogen and oxygen forming water. So H2 plus O2 giving H2O. You refer all these things. All these are examples for exothermic reactions. In addition to these reactions, these are combinations also. These are exothermic. At the same time, these are combinations also. So, combination reaction plus exothermic reaction. Exothermic. You write this also. Two types are here. One is combination and the other is a exothermic. More details, you refer the previous reactions. You have taken all the previous reactions. All these reactions you have already taken. Now let me take some more reactions to show the exothermic nature. You think of burning of natural gas. Natural gas. Have you heard of CNG? CNG, compressed
Yes, sir.
natural gas, CNG engines.
Yes, sir.
Nowadays, we are going to replace all the automobile engines into CNG engines in Kerala. We have introduced some of the motor cars, then auto rickshaws are there using they are operated using CNG, natural gas. Instead of petrol, natural gas is used as the fuel, natural gas. So burning of a natural gas, that is also an example for exothermic reaction. So we must know what is the main constituent in natural gas. The main constituent in natural gas is methane. So you write this. The new reaction. This is the new reaction we are going to see. The new one. The fourth reaction, that is new one. That is burning of natural gas. Burning of natural gas. You know, gas pipelines are introduced in nowadays. You might have read that in the newspaper. Definitely not. Have you read it in the newspaper? You say yes or no? Okay, I'm sure that we have no that bad practice of reading the newspaper. bad practice of reading the newspaper because we are not say using the newspaper nowadays. We are depending only on our mobile phone or even the TV, not beyond that. We have no that reading habit. Aditya, do you agree with me? Do you have the practice of reading the newspaper? Have you seen the newspaper? There is such thing called the newspaper boy. Okay, leave it. So burning of a natural gas. The main constituent of natural gas is methane. So in brackets you write the main constituent. It is the main constituent of a natural gas. It is methane. You write in brackets methane. 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 Burning of natural gas. Burning of methane. What is burning? Combination with
Oxygen.
with the oxygen. Burning with the oxygen. That is burning. Combination with the oxygen. Now, let us see burning of a natural gas. The main constant of a natural gas is methane, I told. What is the formula of methane? Methane. It is a CH4. CH4. You must study that. You have to study that in the organic chemistry. They have carbon compounds. Last but one, the fourth chapter, carbon compounds. In carbon compounds, this compound will be coming. Methane, CH4. Methane or methane. Plus oxygen, giving carbon is oxidized to carbon dioxide always. And hydrogen is oxidized to water. Plus heat plus light. Heat plus light. Light also will be formed. There is a chance for the formation of light also. Only to a slight extent, light is also formed. If there is no sufficient oxygen or air, light is also produced. Anyhow, heat is produced, no doubt, because methane is used as a fuel. That is used as the fuel. Okay. So methane is a gas, CH4, G. Oxygen is gas, G. CO2, G. And here, water formed will be at a high temperature, and therefore it will be in the form of gas, steam, so H2O, H2O. There is high temperature. Heat is released. So water formed will be in the form of steam. That is in the gaseous state. Steam. Okay, now let us balance the equation. Have you written the equation? Methane.
Yes,
The main constituent of natural gas is methane or methane. Methane. Some teachers will pronounce it as methane. Okay, it's all right. Methane or methane, and the formula is CH4. That's a gas. Plus O2 giving CO2 plus H2O plus heat and light. So it is a exothermic reaction because heat is released. Heat is released. Now you balance this equation. You begin from hydrogen. Adi, Mr. Nair, you begin from hydrogen and you try to balance it. You please help me. I don't know how to balance it. You please help me how to balance.
so there is four atoms
4
in the
hydrogen.
left.
So, right hand side, what do you have to do?
Yeah, to multiply by 2 H2O.
2H2O. Correct. 2H2O. Now you balance oxygen. Adi, you try. You finish it. The job is with you. You finish the work. It is your duty to complete the job. Come on. Hydrogen. Hydrogen is balanced. Hello, friends, all of you. Follow this or not? No response.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Only one person is saying yes. All the others are not responding at all. What
Yes,
should
sir.
I understand from this? Okay. Adi, you complete. Oxygen. Right hand side, how many oxygen? Total number?
4.
4. Yes. CO2, 2 oxygen. 2 H2O, 2 oxygen. So total 4. Right hand side, total 4. So on the left hand side,
2.
2 H2O. I'm sorry, 2 O2. 2 O2. And the carbon is already balanced. And that is the balance equation. Okay. Balance equation. Now the question is this. Burning of a natural gas, what type of reaction it is? What type of reaction it is? Combination reaction, exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction, decomposition reaction. Okay. Aman, do
Yes,
you
sir.
agree with me if I say it's a combination reaction? Do you agree with me? Burning of natural gas. I say it is a combination reaction. Do you agree with me? Huh?
Yes.
Yes. Why? What is a combination reaction?
Formation of single product from 2 or more
Single product,
reactants.
single product, single product. Look at the side of the products. Look at the side of the products. How many products are there? Is there only a single product? Say sorry, my voice is rising up. Don't worry about that. Okay, I'm not scolding you. Come on. Now you say, is it combination?
No, sir.
When you speak something, let your brain speak. Let your brain speak. Not simply your tongue and lips. Not your belly, stomach. No. Let your brain speak. If your brain has to speak, you have to think of it. You have to get the help from the brain. So you have to use it. Okay. So it's not a combination. Aman,
Yes, sir.
now what you said is correct. Amina, do you agree with Aman now? It
No,
is not a combination, but it is
exothermic.
exothermic. It is exothermic. That is a exothermic. That is right. Okay. It is time. We'll continue the next class. We can continue. Okay. Let me stop now. You can take some more examples, new reactions. Some more reactions to explain the combination. Sorry, exothermic reaction. Let me stop now. Thank you.
Thank you.